Rub with bad bunch, little skinny kids sneaking weed in my bag lunch. And on the junior high, we was just getting by. And drive-bys, ride my homies of the young lives. I never did cry, and even though I had pain in my heart, I was homeless from the start. They couldn't tell me nothing, they all tried to help me. The marijuana had my mind gone, it wasn't helping. I tried to flex, score cases for the ill, yeah. I felt the pain.